Alright, I'm going to be showing Design Project 3, kind of how I implemented things, both with the lock controller and with the extra credit portion, which kind of works. I'm pretty sure the lock controller works 100%, but the extra credit part does have some bugs, which I will show you. So, let's start off with the lock controller. If you want to, right now it's locked. If you want to unlock it, press S314 unlock. It unlocks it. Anytime you press S, the blue light pops on, and it stays on until the sequence is complete. So I can do 1 2 3 3 1 4. As long as it ends with 3 1 4, it'll still unlock it. It was already unlocked, but the light came off, telling you that it unlocked again. So I can lock it, and then if I give it the wrong combination and press unlock, then the error light pops on. So I'm going to kind of go through my circuit and explain how I implemented things. Basically, I have this circuit which controls my combinational logic for the different states, going from state to state. It is a function of whatever state I'm in. So let's go into that. So this controls basically how I jump from state to state, and then whatever state I'm in, the outputs get controlled by this output circuit, which controls all the different the lock commands and the LEDs. Then to collect my numbers, I first encoded them using this encoder circuit, and this takes the decimal representation of whatever button that I press and converts it into a binary number. And then that gets sent into this numFlow circuit, which takes basically the last three numbers that are in the sequence and compares it against 3, 1, 4, which are constants. And these circuits are compare circuits, which just compare two different numbers in binary code. So yeah, that's without the extra credit. And then let's change to the extra credit circuit. So now some things work and some things are broken. So right now it's locked. I can still unlock it using S314 unlock, and it unlocks it. So now if I want to program a new number into it, I do SP161803. Then let's say I want my code to be 1 2 3. So I do that twice. Then I press P to program it. So now my new combination is 1 2 3. So let's lock it again, and then let's try to unlock it with my new code. And it unlocks. But now the problem is that I can only program it once. I didn't have time to, with the logic, to program it multiple times. So if I want to do SP161803 and say 345 345, then it's still going to be 1 2 3. So let's try to lock it and then unlock it with 345. Then it gives me an error because that's the wrong code. If I try to unlock it with 1 2 3, then it unlocks because that's the code that was saved from the first time. So that doesn't work. And basically, here is my circuit. It's very messy, very complicated. I think I didn't make my jumping from state to state. I don't think I have enough states to cover every scenario, so I had to make a lot of different branches, and it just made things very messy and very complicated and very hard to debug. So yeah, that's what I had time to do, and that's my project.